Option trading is just like a game of chess. As an option seller or as an option buyer, we need to be very flexible and agile in our trades, especially if we are doing positional trading where we need to do different kind of adjustments to make our trade better and better. Although there are a lot of standard adjustments for different strategies, but you can always think a new kind of adjustment for these strategies like iron fly, iron condor, calendar spread, ratio spread. The success in all these strategies is mostly dependent on what kind of adjustment the trader has done. And at times, you need to anticipate a market a bit. Like if you see IPL matches, the batsman really anticipate what will be the next ball. Similarly, the trader needs to anticipate what kind of market can it be and accordingly try to reduce his risk and try to increase the chances of profit. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla, and in this channel we talk about option trading strategies which are safe in nature and generate consistent returns. You can join our WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. In today's video, I am going to show you an adjustment which is slightly, you can say, a pro adjustment. I don't think most of you might have seen this kind of adjustment for iron fly ever. So there can be two scenarios. One is if market becomes unidirectional, iron fly, you should never lose money. I will show you one method today which is very useful if the market is unidirectional. Second issue is if market is moving wildly in both the directions, then it is better to stay in the iron butterfly and then make the adjustments in such a way that okay, wherever the market goes, you are not going to lose your money. The second kind of adjustment I am going to show in the part 2 of this video. Do click on the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Just one quick announcement. We are doing a calendar spread workshop on 24th of May, which is online. Details are given in the description and I will also be sharing the details in the end of this video. So now let me take you to Opstra and let us see how this iron butterfly adjustment works. See it very carefully. Now I've taken it to 1st of January and let us start at around 9:30. So on 1st January, if we see where is at the money is 26,300. So what I will do, I will sell 26,300 call and I will sell 26,300 put. Now if you see in both call and put 249 plus 224, the overall premium available is around 470, 475 rupees. For iron butterfly, this is a very low premium. Generally, in these kind of premiums, it is better to avoid a strategy like iron butterfly. Premium is low because you can see the implied volatility 8.3, 8.4 at different strikes. It is extremely low. So iron fly is a strategy which is a selling strategy. So selling strategy, you always need a higher wicks so that you are selling a higher premium. But just for understanding's sake, just for the sake of concept, we are doing this. Can we save our iron butterfly even in such a scenario? So I will buy protection at 26,800 call, and similarly on downside I will buy at 25,800. So it will create a balanced iron butterfly. Here if you see, I shifted to futures to make the markets center, and in this way the payoff diagram looks very balanced. Now let us see what happens to the market and do we need to do any adjustment. As a standard principle, generally you don't do iron butterfly adjustment unless and until any break-even point gets breached. So we have two break-even points here also, which is 25964 and 26637. So let us move to next day and see what happens. Okay, market is there only. This kind of iron butterfly will not require more than 70,000 rupees. Next day, okay, we are making some 299 rupees. Market tanking down, so we are making 1,000 rupees, 1,400 rupees. Now here I had seen at around 9th January morning 9:30, the market has gone into the red zone of the iron butterfly. This is the time when some adjustment is definitely required. Now if you see very carefully, what has happened here is the maximum profit it is showing is 21,000 rupees. By investing 70,000 rupees, expecting 21,000 profit is not a very wise thing to do. So generally you expect a profit of 2 to 3%. In 70,000 rupees, 1400 to 2100 rupees is a decent profit. So iron butterfly in itself is giving me lot of premium which I can use to adjust. If a trader just knows this thing that okay, I am having a lot of premium, I can use that premium to adjust my trades. I think you must be always profitable in iron butterfly. Now, what is the adjustment possible? If I see here, 26,300 put is 395, market has gone down. This is not helping me. 25,800 put is 500 points away, although it is giving me some profit, but still uh, there is a gap. Obviously, there is a possibility of loss. Here, if you have seen, maximum loss is 10,000 rupees. So, what I will do, I will scare off this 26,300 put at 395.15 and maybe I will sell 25,900 put. So, what I am doing is, I have already purchased 25,800 put. I am scaring off my 26,300 put and I am selling 25,900 put, which is just, you can say, 100 points above my buying. I'm not doing anything else. So basically, I have converted my trade to a iron condor. So if you are a very experienced trader, you can always convert your iron condor into iron butterfly if required, or your iron butterfly into iron condor if required. Now in this case, 2-3 things you should be very, very cautious. Once you have created this trade into a modified iron condor kind of a trade, your downside is 100% protected. You can still make some money in the trade, otherwise it would have given you a loss in case market is going down. And second thing to note is that on the upside, the risk has increased. So in case market start moving up, maybe after this level, we should be very cautious and we should be doing a different adjustment, right? So in today's video, we will see what happens. As I said, in a unidirectional market, this adjustment works really well, and almost all the iron butterfly problems are resolved with this one adjustment. Let us move ahead and see what happens. Next day, market has further gone down. I am already making 1342. So this is a good point where I can book almost 2% kind of a profit. Only one adjustment done, even in a very bad falling market. 1200 still we are making. So only chance is, can market expire somewhere in this big hump? That can be a great trading month for us. But as of now, it's giving me 1878. As a conservative, low risk trader, I should close the trade here. Next, 2249, I think it is brilliant. I should definitely book my profit here. No doubt about it. But just for academic sake, we are seeing what happened to the trade. And by 20th of January, it is still giving me. So it's not that, okay, it has just given me one chance of booking the profit and then after that, there was no chance. Even if I am a working professional, I am not seeing the trade. The trade has given you multiple chances for so many days to book your trade in profit. Now also it is giving you some profit. Now another question is this profit sufficient or not? I am saying 2 to 3% is sufficient on expiry also. But if I am keeping this trade till expiry, 529 may not be sufficient. But yes, you already know that, okay, in case market keeps on going down, it will not be giving me too much of profit. So that is why there was a point that, okay, whenever you are getting 2 to 3% profit, the trade should have been booked. Now, another question is, can there be a way where I can increase this profit from 2%, 3% to slightly higher? That is also possible. I will be covering that in the next part of this video. So, two things we need to cover: what will happen in a zigzag market, where market goes down, where market goes up, what kind of adjustments can be done in iron butterfly. And second thing is, if market is unidirectional, can there be a way to increase my profit? Although in this case, we definitely got a chance to book a decent profit. Let me quickly share details about our upcoming calendar spread workshop. Calendar spread is a strategy which can be used independently for decent profits. Plus, it is a great adjustment tool to be used in combination to other strategies also. Even strangles and straddles when they get stuck up. Even it can be used in combination with iron condor and iron fly also. So this is one of the most important tool in our kit. We are conducting a calendar spread workshop on 24th of May from 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. online. We will be sharing the strategy, its logic, break-even points, and most importantly, the adjustments framework. To make the usage of the strategy very clear, we will also discuss 12 months of backtesting. If you wish to join, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. There are definitely discounts for participants who have joined our Iron Fly workshop or Iron Condor workshop. If you have joined both the workshops, you will get 50% discount. Details are given in the description also. Leaving you with a very interesting video on adjustments. Hope you will definitely like it. Do click on the like button and subscribe button. Each and every subscriber is very, very precious to us. See you in the next video.